Inhenergy. Now I'm in Inhenergy's factory. If you are seeking a safe, reliable solar inverter supply, let's keep watching. Let's take a closer look at our factory. Here is a briefly product process. As you can see, before our solar inverter strip out, we will through 6 tests. Here is the locker room, and we should change our clothes. Before walking into the factory, I should wear like this. Just like this girl to anti-static. Now I'm ready, let's go. Here is the SMT workshop. This is the solder paste printer machine. This is the high-speed compact module mounter. This is the with-flow soldering machine. This is the AOI, which can identify errors in the line of production and quickly send feedback to avoid a repeat of the failure. Here is the DIP workshop. In this area, we will introduce a fully automatic production line. Here is the assembly production line of our solar inverters. You can see the engineers assemble the components and the wires, which can make the internal structure tidy. Here is the product preliminary test. Here is the air tightness test. Here is the voltage withstand test. Before the solar inverters are packaged, we will test the voltage of each one. Here is the aging test workshop, which is to model the extreme situation to test the machine for 4 hours. We believe that reliable production process could provide the best guarantee for the quality to our customers. After all the assembly process and the machine tests, it's time to pack the inverters. We use solid materials to ensure long-distance shipping. We are expected to let you know more about our factory. See you in the next video. Bye!